Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, we are going to talk about Huawei's new flagship phone, Huawei Mate 70. This phone is getting a lot of attention due to its amazing features and specifications. So without wasting any time, let's discuss each feature and specification in detail. First, let's talk about its body. The dimensions of the Huawei Mate 70 are 160.9 by 75.9 by 7.8 millimeters, and its weight is 203 grams, which gives it a balanced and premium feel. The build quality of this phone is outstanding, as it comes with an aluminum alloy frame. Additionally, it features Huawei Kunlun Glass 2, making it durable and scratch-resistant. This phone also comes with IP68, IP69 dust and water resistance, meaning you can use it in light water or dusty environments. The fingerprint sensor is side-mounted, which is fast and responsive. The available colors are black, purple, white, and green, which look very attractive. Now let's talk about its display. This phone features a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display that offers a peak brightness of 2500 nits. This level of brightness is perfect for outdoor use. Additionally, the display has a 120 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations buttery smooth. The operating system of this phone is Harmony OS 4.3, which is Huawei's latest and optimized OS. For the chipset, you get Kirin 920, a powerful and energy-efficient processor, perfect for multitasking and gaming. Memory. Talking about memory and storage, this phone supports NanoSIM plus NanoSIM. While it does not have a card slot, the internal storage options are excellent. You get 256 GB with 12 GB RAM, 512 GB with 12 GB RAM, and 1 TB with 12 GB RAM. These options are sufficient for most users. Main camera. Moving on to the camera, this phone features a triple camera setup. 50 megapixel wide lens with f1.4, f4.0 aperture, PDF and OIS, 12 megapixel periscope telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom, and 40 megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree wide-angle view. For video recording, you get 4K and 1080p support, along with features like HDR, gyro EIS, and OIS. For selfie lovers, it includes a 13 megapixel ultra-wide lens with an f2.4 aperture and 18mm focal length. The selfie camera also supports 4K and 1080p video recording. Talking about connectivity features, you get stereo speakers, providing excellent sound quality. There is NFC support, but no 3.5mm headphone jack. Additionally, it comes with an infrared port and a USB Type-C 3.1 port, which supports OTG and DisplayPort 1.2. In the battery department, this phone features a 5300 mAh powerful battery that supports 66-watt wired charging, 50 watts wireless charging, and 7.5-watt reverse wireless charging. Additionally, if you want to use reverse wired charging, it supports 5-volt speed. This was a detailed review of the Huawei Mate 70. I think this phone is an all-rounder due to its premium design, amazing display, and flagship features. If you liked the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.